Hello guys, Nixie. Okay, this is my setup right now. The device is on, and I have this voltmeter here connected to the let's see, it's connected right to the gates right now. Okay, and I've got the voltmeter connected to the number 16 pin and the number 9 pin of the TL circuit. The yoke is also connected through these filters, 24 volts, and this is the signal. Okay, signal is okay. I will try to explain a little bit. This one here is the red probe. Anyway, this is the square wave here, and this is the off cycle of this whole wave here, and this is the other one. This is the off cycle, the on cycle, the off cycle. So this one here is the off cycle, this is the on cycle. Right now it's at maximum duty cycle. And right now we've got 5.2 volts coming out of the TL circuit's 9 pin. So let me get my little screwdriver and see if I can do this without messing up. So I'm going to start backing up this TL circuit, and it's very hard to do this because the screwdriver just keeps sliding out when I use one hand. 1 second. Okay, let me see if I can do this here. Okay, I'm dropping it down. You can see it's 5-1. Sorry, I just can't really do this right. 4, 8, 4, 7, 4, 6. Signals are still okay. 1 second. Okay, the signals are still okay at 4, 6. 4, 5 is just about where it starts messing up. I keep turning it down. 4, 4. 1 second. Now at this frequency it might be stable, but you can see that just getting my hand on the scope is enough to start making it go off. Okay, there I'm showing 0 volts. Alright, that's just under 4.5. At 4.4 it's showing 0 volts. The signal is still on for some reason. Let me see if it's just the connections. No. So here we have 0 volts. 1 second, let me just see if it's just not the connection here that's... No. So, okay, so you see it, 0 volts, yet I have a signal. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Anyway, I'll see if I can back up this and get the voltage back. Now I see the negative is off. Bear with me because it's trying to get this -1 to stay on. Okay, back up to 50. the 5 volts here, 5.2. I'm going to back it off again, backing it off, backing it off, backing it off, backing it off. You know, and it slipped off of me. Okay. Okay, so 47, 46, 44 is about where the scope messes up. Right about in here. Now I'm going to continue dropping it down. 42, 41, it's still on. 38, it's still staying. Okay, it's staying down. 2.7, so forth. So this particular time at this frequency setting, it's staying. Okay, 2.8, duty cycles going down. This time it's working pretty nice. Okay, now I'm going to change the frequency on it. And this is, no, there went my voltage again. Hang on a second. See, I've lost the voltage on it. Okay, let me see if I can get the voltage back. What I did was I turned the frequency pot just a little bit, and it was enough to throw it off. So I still have that signal, but I get nothing for the voltage on the 9 pin. That's what's weird. So okay, I'm going to turn up the duty cycle again. See if I can get the voltage back. There, I got it back. Okay, so the duty cycle is probably around 20% or something like that. I got 1.8 volt. So again, I'm going to turn the frequency dial, and I'm turning the frequency. Well, actually, it looks like it's at maximum frequency already. Okay, so I'm going to turn the frequency, see what happens. There, it starts going down. Hang on. I'm real slow at this with one hand like this. Okay, so I got 1.8 on there. I'm gonna keep cranking it. There, I lost the voltage. Okay, and what I was doing was turning the frequency pot, is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so as you can see, the signal's messed up. We got 0 voltage coming out. I'm gonna see if I can put it back where it was. There, I got the voltage back. Signal's clear again. Okay, so that's kind of what's going on. I mean, I don't know. This time it's been working pretty well, but see, if I just turn the pot a half a turn, that's what I get, and that's what I get. So it starts doing these glitches, and let me see if I can find the place to put it back how it was. .8. Okay, this is about the point where if I can keep dropping it. That's maximum frequency right there. So I'm going to drop it down. If the thing doesn't keep falling off, the screwdriver. Okay. I still have no voltage there. Just sorry guys, I just can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm going to try to get the voltage back. Right. See, one channel is out, one channel is working, and so forth. These are the situations that I'm confronted with here. So let me see if I can get the voltage back or not. Okay, there I get the voltage back. Okay, now notice the scope, notice the voltmeter. Now, one second. Okay, so I'm going to turn it a little bit here, half a turn. Boom, it's off. Okay, half a turn clockwise, it's on. Okay, that voltage. Half a turn counterclockwise, it's off. Signal's lost. Okay, a full turn clockwise, and that's maximum frequency, highest frequency. So at the highest frequency, I can adjust the duty cycle somewhat, and it sort of works. But again, if I change the frequency, okay, there I'm at 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, and at that maximum duty cycle or maximum frequency, the duty cycle works to some degree. Okay, there's 3.5 volts as I'm turning the pot, 4, and still I have good signals. Okay, so that's 48. I can turn it up some more, but basically it's almost full duty cycle there. Okay, now at full duty cycle, more or less, I'll crank the, see, so long as I have 4.5 or 6, it can function. It can go all the way up to 5.2. So I'm going to turn the frequency now, if I can get it. I just need a better screwdriver because this one keeps sliding off. Okay, the frequency. Drop in the frequency. So far it's staying. Okay, drop in the frequency. And it's staying, whoop, right there. Okay, so this is where I lose it, as I'm dropping the frequency. So, right there I got it back. And right there, it's 4.7, which is good voltage. It works at that voltage. And if I'm kind of dropping the frequency again. I still got a signal, and there I lose it. Okay, so that gives you an idea what's going on over here. Depending on where the frequency and duty cycle are set, it works or doesn't work. But besides all that, this bulb right here is connected to the secondary of the yoke. This wire right here, and where's the other one? Yeah, it's hard to see it, but it's connected by this clip here. It's this red wire down below here. So these are the two outs from the yoke. Those red cables are the secondary of the yoke. So that's hooked up. I've got 12 volts hooked up to the center tap on it, and the outputs on it, these two guys here, are connected to the to the FETs. The FETs, the negative of the FETs, is that red line coming down through here and going down into the cable for the power supply. So that's my catcher. It's all disconnected right now. So anyway, that gives you some idea what's going on here. This is what the circuit looks like. Let me shine the light on it here. Oops, no, I better not. Sorry. Anyway, that's what it looks like here. Bigger view, sorry for the mess. I've got the filters on. This is the filter for, this is 12 volts, the first line here. And the same power goes to the 15 volt, which is this one here. And so the 12 goes separately from the 15 volt to the TL and to the drivers. And okay, that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.